Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you looking for a streaming stick? Today, we're comparing the Xiaomi TV stick with the Amazon Fire Stick. Let's find the winner. First of all, price matters. The Fire Stick costs $30 to $50 depending on the model. The Xiaomi stick runs between $35 and $60. Both are budget friendly. The Fire Stick wins here with slightly lower prices. The Fire Stick uses Amazon OS's Fire OS. It's simple and clean. You get Alexa voice control and tight links to Amazon Prime. Xiaomi runs Android TV 11. This gives you Google Assistant and full Google Play Store access. Plus, Chromecast is built in. If you're into Google, Xiaomi wins. If you love Amazon, Fire Stick wins. Fire Stick has faster chips. The 4K model has a 1.7 gig processor with 2 gigs of RAM. The Max version hits 2 gigs with 16 gigs of storage. Xiaomi packs a quad-core chip with 2 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of storage. Fire Stick feels snappier, especially for gaming and heavy apps. Both support 4K streaming, both have Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Fire Stick adds HDR10+, but what's the difference? Well, Fire Stick handles smoother with Wi-Fi 6 and Xiaomi uses basic Wi-Fi 5. Both have Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and YouTube. Xiaomi gives you more app choices through Google Play, and Fire Stick focuses on Amazon content first. Want variety? Go Xiaomi. Want Amazon integration? Fire Stick. Fire Stick's remote has dedicated buttons for Prime, Netflix, and Disney Plus, plus Alexa control. Xiaomi's remote is simpler with Google Assistant and fewer shortcuts. The Fire Stick remote truly feels better built. Pick Fire Stick if you want faster performance and a better remote, Amazon ecosystem, and Wi-Fi 6. Pick Xiaomi if you prefer Android, Google services, Chromecast, and more app freedom. Both are great. Your choice depends on your favorite ecosystem. That's the breakdown, guys. Which one will you buy? Drop a comment below letting us know, and I'll see you in the next video.